everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. So what we're doing today is Walmart. I have two of them. I have two boxes here. So spring and summer. Spring and summer. So you have a spring and summer box. So these boxes always come after the season. So you'll get spring's box in the summer and summer's box in the fall and fall's box in winter and so forth and so on. So let's get started. These boxes are only $5 a month. To me, the $5 is supposed to be for shipping, so there's no tax included on that because it's not for the merchandise inside. You get once in a blue moon you get some full-size items, but it's mostly just like trials, samples, big deluxe samples, and every now and then you get a full-size item. I think I got a pallet one time in my box, so that's pretty good. So let's start out with spring. Now this is Spring Beauty Sensations, and it says shop those items, which is probably too late, but anyways, these are the items here, if you can see that. Like I said, it's a $5 box. I like this Walmart box. I just like it. I think it's a neat idea. So let's quickly go through the items. This is Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening, and this is a natural peppermint. I normally see these in, well, I think I got this first Hello item in a Target box. They're pretty good. It's like an all natural, and it's not that bad, so I enjoy this one. These are good for like if you're going on a trip, you just throw these in your bag and you're on the go. You keep them at work. The next item is the Biore, how do you pronounce it? Biore? Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal Deep Cleans and Radiates Self-Love Daily Purifying Cleanser. So that's a nice size right there. And this is 1 fluid ounce, and then this one was a 1 ounce. So that's pretty neat. And to go with your Hello toothpaste, we get a Hello toothbrush. And this is charcoal infused. That's like the big thing now, right? Charcoal. Naturally friendly, BPA free toothbrush. This is soft, it's tapered bristles, and printed with plant-based ink. Okay, I don't know, I just got like a little lost in the wording, so that's what that looks like. Nice little toothbrush. You can always use a toothbrush. And then we'll do this one, Natural Vitality Calm, a magnesium supplement. Oh, I think I'm gonna take this like right now. That's what that is right there. This is 253 milligrams of magnesium, and it's in a raspberry lemon flavor. I'm gonna drink it right now. And we have some cards, and we have nails. Oh, if everybody knows, I love me some press-on nails. This is the Salon Perfect Design nail set. I don't like these. They come with glue. I like the Impress ones that you just peel the little sticker and you just stick them right on. But these are for glue. So that's what that looks like. They're actually pretty nice. Marble. These are about what, $3 or $4 at Walmart. So your box is pretty much covered. You always get your value. The $5, you always get your value. And then we have a coupon that it's expired because I opened my box too late. Oh no, they should have these so they don't expire until like the end of the year. They expired in June. But I didn't get this box. Did I get it in June? I may have, I don't know. But it's expired. It's for Suave Professionals. And this is the shampoo I do use every now and then. And then we have De-Stress with a Moment of Calm. And that's the anti-stress drink mix that we got. It is available at Walmart. You can scan that QR code at walmart.com and it'll let you know if it's available. Which is this here. So that's the spring box, everybody. Sorry guys, it's a whole late. I get it, but it's just to tell you what items are in here. So if you do decide to sign up for the Walmart box, you'll be getting a fall's box in the winter. But this is kind of what you're getting. So we got the Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Cleanser, the Hello toothpaste, these nice nails. I'll try these out, let you know how well they are, and this Hello toothbrush. So that's a good deal right there, $5. So now let's go on. Let's hoping I open this box and this is Summers. So let's see. Here for beauty. Oh, we have a different little pamphlet. Oh, they actually tells us what's in here, which is a good idea. Treat yourself with these pampering picks for all over glow. Shop these products and find ingredient information at walmart.com/tp/shop-beauty.box. And yeah, this has to be the summer box. It doesn't say summer or fall or whatever, but you know, I did get this about a month or two ago. So I love the fact that they have the items all inside. So it even tells us like what the retail value for the full-size product is. So let's start out with the first item. So this is African Pride Olive Miracle, and this is made for fall updos. This non-greasy, jet-free edge gel slicks hard to hold edges for long-lasting, natural and straight styles. Oh, that'd be good. I think I'll send this to Jocelyn because she can use these for her edges that she holds down because she used to have that her hair in a bun. And that's what that looks like. It's full size. Is this full size? Yeah, this is a full size item right here, and this is worth $2.54. Now, depending on what Walmart and what store and what region or area you're in, it may cost a little more, it may cost a little less, depending on where you're at. But the full size, $2.54, and it's 2.3 ounces, which this is. And then we have the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. Ooh, pretty. This is buttery, soft, silky. Oh, I probably don't have to tell you about NYX. A lot of us know what NYX is. It stays never sticky, always supple. It stays put and won't feather. Receive one full size. Is this full size? This is a full size item, and this is worth $5. So there you go, $5 box, $5 NYX. And what color is this? This is Apple Crisp, but it has to be red. I'm wondering if I should send this to Jocelyn too. I sent her a box. I'll let you all know what happened at the end of this video because I'm a little pissed off, and I've been trying to get a hold of somebody at USPS for a long time, and I'm very pissed. So let's finish with the box. So the next thing is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion. This is just the sample size because the full size is about 13.5 ounces. And the full size is $5.28, but this is just your little sample, which I love. I like coconut butter, or cocoa butter. No, coconut oil body lotion. It smells good. It smells real good. Coconut oil, not cocoa butter. Two different things. And then we got this Earth Supplied Butter Rich Deep Treatment Mask. Oh, I need this. With 25% shea butter. This is a full size packet, and this packet costs $1.97. So that's what that is, and it's for your hair. The Season Replenish Moisture, Detangle, Soften, and Repair Coils and Curls. And I know I have to do my hair because I don't know if it's my age or stress or something, but my hair, it just looks a hot mess all the time. That's why I always have a backup in a bun. We got that. And then the last thing is Aunt Jackie's Assorted Curl Products. And the one I received was the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. This is not a full-size item. The full-size item is, depending on what you got, so I got the Curl La La. The full-size item is 15 ounces and it's $7. This is only 3 ounces. So this is a fifth of that, right? And it'd be worth a couple dollars, $1 or $2, and that's everything. So just to have this item, which is $2, and this item is $2.50, so right there it's $4.50 plus $5, $9.50. So just these 3 products is doubled what you paid for the box. So I think that's a good deal. Especially if you're going to use everything like this. I'll probably send the Jocelyn. This I'll use myself. We got the NYX. I might use it or send it to Jocelyn. And then this one Sandra can use. That's Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. And then we have the Coconut Oil Body Lotion, which smells good. It smells real good. I love Palmer's. Every now and then I'll get Palmer's cocoa butter. And it smells just like coconut. Like the real coconut, not fake coconut. and it makes my hands feel good because they've been very, very dry. I think it's just because of stress. Anyway, that is everything. So this was the fall box. If you want to sign up for Walmart, I will leave the link down below so you can go ahead and sign up and get these cute little boxes. And if you don't keep all the items that's in them as you receive them throughout the year, you put them to the side and make little gift baskets for people for Christmas, if you do Christmas. If not, for like just because little gifts, or I forgot your birthday gift and you just gotta whip something up real quick. So again, this is everything in the spring box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this one because we got the comb, and then we received 5 items as well in here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so you always get 5 items. It's like $1 a piece if you put it that way. Again, this is fall's box, and then this was spring's box. But like I said, oops, you always get these after the season's over. So I got my fall box maybe about summer box about a month or 2 ago, and then the spring box I thought I had put the video up, but I guess I didn't. But that's everything for both boxes. So a little rant at the end. Do I have time? Okay, a little rant at the end. So I sent Jocelyn 3 boxes. You know, if everybody knows me, she knows my daughter's a Marine. She's in Japan. Sent her 3 boxes. I sent 1 box at the end of August, and then I sent 2 more boxes on September 5th or 6th. She received 2 out of the 3 boxes. She received 2 boxes, the one that I sent in August, and then 1 of the boxes from September 4th. So August 29th, I sent 1 box. September 4th, 5th, I sent the other 2 boxes. She received the August 29th box and 1 of the smaller boxes from September together at the beginning of September, or into the second week of September. I sent these boxes September 6th. It is now November 1st. And my daughter still has not received the second box I sent her, a real big 18-pound box. It was full of personal items in there. It was a lot of her clothes. I sent her stuff that they don't sell. I got her the Kylie lip glosses for her Kylie's lip gloss birthday, whatever. I bought those on eBay. I ended up paying twice as much money for those lip glosses so I can send them to her just for her birthday. So far the box gone. I sent her clothes, I sent her personal items, I sent her items that cannot be replaced. Yes, did I have insurance on them? Yes. But that's not the point. The point is there's a freaking 18-pound box missing that's supposed to be going to Japan in the military for my daughter. It had my kind of pissed. I had some Selena makeup for MAC. I had her I had the lip glosses, I had makeup, some Gerard Cosmetics stuff that I sent her. A lot of stuff was in there, and they cannot find this damn box. So if anybody's familiar with the USPS, or if you know somebody who works for the USPS and can help me find this box, or the military mail, no one has been able to get in touch with me to let me know, we know where your box is at. The last scan was at Chicago O'Hare International Airport for the mail, and all they could tell me is the last scan was there, the military has it. Does the military have it? I mean, shouldn't you scan it to say that the military, now we put it in their hands and the military should be able to scan something there? Nope. I've heard horror stories all over Reddit that the boxes are not coming for like 5 months. I understand COVID. I understand that things are being delayed because of COVID. I get all that. They can't find my box and I don't know what to do. So if you have any information that I can use to try to locate this box or help me, I would greatly appreciate it. My Twitter and my Instagram is down below. You can DM me. Please, if anybody knows that can help me, I would be greatly appreciative. There's things in there, like I said, they cannot be replaced. And I put faith into the post office because she's received stuff before. I've received stuff from her. And the 2 boxes that went out, she received those. But the 1 box that had all this stuff in it that I really wanted her to have, like her Kylie lip glosses, that I can't get those anymore unless I pay like $100 for them somewhere on eBay, which I won't do anymore. I did that already. The MAC Selena makeup, which again, I can try to replace it. I may have a duplicate here that I can send her. Not worried about that. It's other stuff that's too personal to replace. You know, it's just a bunch of bullshit. But anyways, if y'all can help me out, I'd be greatly appreciative. I might go on TikTok and do a little rant there because it seems like you know, if you put something out, you try to get some help, and they will help you. And not that you will help me on YouTube. It's just TikTok is seen a little faster by seen by a lot more people faster than YouTube. Seems like everybody's stuck on TikTok, like me sometimes. But I'd be greatly appreciative if you can give me any kind of information that'll help me down in the description box. I'd be greatly appreciative. If I have to put if you need the tracking number, I can have the tracking number sent to you or whatever, but I'd be greatly appreciative. So that's it. It's my little rant. I'm kind of mad. I want to cry, but I won't. Anyway, my fault for sending this shit to her. Next time I know better. So this is the spring box, this is the summer box, and no, summer, yeah, spring and summer. I don't know, one was fall, looks like, right? I don't know which one this was. I'm gonna say it's summer. I'm gonna say it's summer, because fall just finished, and I might be getting that box soon. Yeah, after that little rant, I got all like, ooh, ready to beat someone up. So spring and summer Walmart boxes. Let me know what you think of the items that came in these boxes. If you got these boxes, how do you like them? I love getting these. This is like the one box I really like keeping. And that's about it. So thank y'all for being here. And until next time, hasta laters.